Natalie Malin. We're talking a little bit about grow lights today. I wanted to start some things from seed. This is my setup from my first trial, and I'm gonna pull it apart and make something better, and I'm gonna show you what I do. So this was my temporary setup. These are my photography lights for work, and I've been using them instead of foil as reflectors to reflect light from this window back onto my plants. And then this guy, Sandbag, has a giant light bulb on him. This one's been the most beneficial, I think, for the rest of this. So these are my seedlings that have been growing happily, and this little windowsill, look how big they're getting. They've done really well since I put the lights on them. And then I've had two more little, I think these are 5000K, yeah, 5000K light bulbs. And they've been on these little timers. And this little guy that I've been propagating, I took the dome off of him this morning and he wasn't super happy about that. I'm gonna show you what I picked up at Lowe's. These are two shop lights. These were $20 each. The brand is, don't know the brand, $20. So I bought two shop lights, and then I bought one pack of these T8 light bulbs, and I'm gonna rig them up underneath this table. And I'm on unfinished part of the basement, so the concrete will be fine. I don't have to worry too much about them dripping on, I don't know, you could do this in your garage if you have an outlet close by. The timers were lifesaver. So my timers run, they're off 8 hours a day, and then they run the rest of the day. So they're on 16, off for 8. So now you can see I'm assembling the grow lights, super easy. The hardest part is on the ends. There's a little tab you have to pop up. The lights just twist in and lock. I attached mine with zip ties. You can see there was only 4 S-hooks that came with the box. So I used those at the bottom so I can raise and lower my lights really easily as my plants grow. You want your lights to be just a couple inches off of the tops of your plants. And you can see here, I stacked mine on top of some plastic trays from inserts of boxes that I have. To get them just a little bit higher than this photo where they're down on the floor. These lights were clearly way too high, but now I have my window back. Here's two happy seedlings, and let me know if you got some grow lights, and let me know how they worked out for you. This is another product I really have been impressed with starting my seedlings. It's basically a watered down, ready to use fertilizer for the leaves of your plants. So as soon as your leaves have had their first set of leaves and they're working on their second set, you can start using this spray. Every 2 to 3 days you spray the leaves, and they seem to really love it, and they're growing nice and happy. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you soon.